Hello guys. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna talk about India #1 fitness band, Mi Band 4. First, let's unbox the band. So, here there's an awesome band. There's a charger over here. And obviously user guide. Let's talk about the band. Here's an amazing colorful AMOLED screen of 0.96 inch. The stripes quality is good and stretchable. At the back there's a heart rate detector, which monitors the heartbeat 24 hours. By connecting to the Mi Fit app, which is available in Play Store. It has a heart rate, workout, and we got outdoor running, treadmill, cycling, walking, freestyle and pool swimming. Weather, I should connect the band to the phone. Notifications, you'll get WhatsApp, Instagram, all social and mobile messages in this band. You can obtain the call through the band, stopwatch, timer, alarm, etc. If you want to remove the band, just stretch one of the end and plug it out. At the back there are two pins. And just connect it the charger. And plug in adapter, laptop. To remove, just plug it out from other side. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.